This video demonstrates how to unbox and assemble the Xerox B105 and cut the tape and open the box. Take out the power cord and installation guide from the box and remove the packaging material. Remove the printer from the box and place it on a flat surface. Remove the outer plastic bag from the printer. Remove all the packing tape from the printer. Lift the document feeder cover and remove the packing materials from both sides of the Lift the skin unit and the output tray below the skin unit. Peel the tape off the paper tray, but do not remove it. Remove the two foam blocks. Remove the print cartridge, then remove the orange plastic tabs. Place the print cartridge back in its default position. Close the output tray and the skin unit. Extend the exit paper guides to adjust the width. Open the paper tray, fan the papers, and load the paper in the tray. Plug in both ends of the power cord. The printer is unboxed and assembled successfully.